Hi, this is Andrew Moore Crispin with your Butterscotch.com tutorial on the new Tasks feature in Gmail. So we'll go up to Settings and click on that. And when this page loads, we'll see the Labs tab up in the top right here. So we'll click on Labs, and this is where Google hides all its neat new features, anything they're working on. So in this case, we want to enable tasks, so we'll just click on the radio button and scroll down to the bottom to save our changes. And now when the Gmail window reloads, we'll see in the left-hand navigation a new entry that's called Tasks. So we just click on Tasks and a window pops up. It looks very similar to the Google Chat window that already appears in Gmail that you may be familiar with. So all we have to do to add a task is click on an open spot in the tasks list, type in our task. In this case, we should create more Butterscotch.com tutorials. Now the checkboxes beside tasks allow us to mark tasks as complete, or we can uncheck them to state that they're pending. We can also take action on our tasks. We can move them up and down the list, we can edit the details of our tasks, and so on. Another neat feature of the tasks window is that we can actually pop it out, so we can keep it on top of our browsing session whether or not we're in Gmail at the time, so we can always have a quick look at our to-do list. And that's all there is to it. That's your Butterscotch.com tutorial on the new Tasks feature in Gmail.